people. Good to see you all. Well, okay, I can't see you guys, but still, it's good to check in. Just wanted to go over your assignments for this week. So this is for March 30th to April 3rd. And first thing I want you to do, and this isn't posted for you, but it will be posted tomorrow at 11 o'clock. The first thing I need you to do is to go ahead and do the attendance check-in. It's a quick, how are you doing? Just so that I know, are you thriving? Are you okay-ish? Or are you struggling a little bit? I know I am absolutely positively struggling because I miss my students tremendously. Who knew I would miss you guys so much? This assignment right here is your notes for this week. There's not a book assignment for you to do at all. After you're done with your assessment, you're going to check out these notes. If you don't want to write it on your own sheet of paper, here's a printable version for you all, so you can do that. I don't think that your test is going to take you forever, so watch the video, 15 minutes. Actually, it's like 14 minutes, just so that you can get that over and done with and be done with math the whole entire week. In addition to that, you're going to do the Chapter 8 assessment. Now, this I want you to start at noon, and then I want you to submit it by 12. It's really not going to take you 2 hours or 2 hours and 45 minutes, as it says here, but the goal is to make it so that you're not feeling rushed. However, you do absolutely positively need to start this at noon. At noon. There's a rubric there, it's 50 points, but I'm going to enter it in of 100 as I do with every other chapter test. And I kind of just want you to do your best. You're going to be taking pictures of your work at some points. If you'd like to use a video to explain your steps, that's fine as well. It's pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, that's your assignment. I do entirely miss you guys, and I hope that you're doing well. And I hope that you will check in with me if you have not done so already. Love you much, you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.